Here comes Sir Beringer, the chestnut with the white face, has swept up on the outside to take the lead as they straighten away. Working hard to the inside is Queensbury Rules. Mingun's Prospect is thrown in the towel. Kassam is on the far outside. Sir Beringer by a length with 1 furlong to go. Queensbury Rules digs down deep to the inside, and Bluegrass Bear on the far outside. Sir Beringer to the inside. Queensbury Rules. Sir Beringer and Patrick Husbands in the opener. Close for place, maybe Queensbury Rules in that place photo with Bluegrass Mama's Night on the outside. Down with Dixie's behind horses and splitting horses. At the top of the stretch is Mama's Night, who tries to come on. It's wide open in the run to the 8th pole. Langford Country in an all-out drive. Down to the inside is September Square. Tayari River down with Dixie, last 16th of a mile. Langford Country trying to hold on. September Square on the inside. Langford Country won it to September Square. Tayari River third, and down with Dixie was fourth. Well, Atene continues to hound. Group Hug is coming with her run. To the inside is Queen of Bandini. They're into the stretch, and it's Bellamy Blues. Bellamy Blues under a hand right here with 1 furlong to go. On the outside, Group Hug. Now Bellamy Blues, the whip is out. Group Hug trying to reel in Bellamy Blues. Last 70 yards. Bellamy Blues will be in a win photo with a closing Group Hug. Bellamy Blues and Group Hug in that win photo. Platine was third. Odd favorite tries to keep up in a third position, a wide Bo Dustin, and they're into the stretch. Royal Greatness and Olguin in the run to the 8th pole. Marchoso digs down deep on the outside. Marchoso on the outside, and Royal Greatness had a little gas left in the tank. This first-time starter, Royal Greatness, will give Jerry Olguin back-to-back victories this afternoon. The favorite Marchoso was second. Finishing third was crowd favorite. Jill is off the rail. There's room there for Lucky and Bold, who is set down now by Slade Callahan, and Lucky and Bold accelerates on the inside. Lucky and Bold. On the outside is Zinhouse Doll. Danziger's coming late between horses. Zinhouse Doll and Lucky and Bold. Danziger tries to split them. Late on the scene, Stranger Things. Lucky and Bold rode the rail to victory, defeating Zinhouse Doll and Danziger. Stranger in that purple cap far outside. La Reine de Meaux into the stretch. Leads it by 2 lengths. On the outside is Kingly Enduring. Woodbine Kitten is finding her best stride. Dives between horses. Deep stretch now, and it's La Reine de Meaux in front. Watch the rail for Narrate. Narrate's coming hard. Woodbine Kitten angles off heels. Narrate on the inside. Got there in the final desperate strides. La Reine de Meaux and Woodbine Kitten in a place side. Delightful Mary up on the outside of D. Wild Beach as they turn for home. D. Wild Beach on the inside. On the outside, Delightful Mary has taken the lead now by a length. Roshna comes on third. To the inside is My Perfect 10, and it's Delightful Mary. She's all class. Last 16th of a mile. Delightful Mary and Luis Contreras, comfortable winners of the 7th. Roshna was second. My Perfect 10 with 1 furlong to go. On the outside, Trelawney's coming on now. Trelawney has taken the lead from Sasu. Bochito. Down to the inside is Kid Canuck. Last 70 yards, Trelawney and Patrick Husbands to defeat Sasu in a show photo.